we go, guys. Tuesday, August 31st. And looking at the 2-minute chart at AMC Entertainment Holdings. Been a crowd favorite here lately as far as day trading and stuff. So anyway, we're going to look at it this morning. We still have about a minute or so before the markets kick off. And in pre-market, after hours trading anyway, it's up here at a little over $44. If we start trading back under, here we go, it just started, and we should be popping a candle. Here it is right here. And if we start trading under the 200 and this little high pivot area, we'll take a short position, just 1,000 shares on margin. Just do a market sell up there, and then hopefully buy back lower. And then of course, on the opposite end, if we come up and put in a real nice green bullish engulfing candle, we'll take a long position after that. And I'm just putting this here just to kind of show where that would be on each one of these candles that come up. And then let's see, we have still a minute to go on the first candle of the day here. And a lot of times it's wild west, the first candle. Get a bunch of real strong movement there, but it is more bullish than bearish right now, since we're trading over the 20 down at the red line and the 200, and it's putting a pretty good bullish engulfing candle. So we'll see if the market is selling on this pump, and then we will reverse after that. And I'm looking at these pivot areas, consolidation areas of the previous day. If we come back lower than these and they do not hold support, then that could be evidence that we could be pushing lower to the downside, like kind of what we're doing here. So we're just looking for evidence of a strong market, or if this is just a sell, pump and sell, funds kind of unloading on the retail this morning. Now, if we close and move up over that blue dash line, then we'll take a long position, okay? And if not, if we move to the downside, if we take out the low of this candle, then we'll go short, okay? So that's how we're going to play it. Right now, we're just inside bar. We're just waiting for the price to move, and this is true on the wait up, let me see if we're going to get in here. Okay, we're in. I missed it though. I missed the low, but let's see if we can ride this up a little bit. And then if we take out this candle, then we'll go ahead and get out with a stop loss, in other words. Okay, so we gapped up, got over the 200 and course to 20, and we made came down inside bar, and then we moved up and over, right now just barely over the close of our previous green candle. So we still have about 45 seconds to go. And then we're looking for a potential, if we come back up to this pivot high here and the high there, we'll probably go ahead and get out of there. Matter of fact, we might go ahead and take it now, go ahead and get out. Let's see if we can get one more pump up here, see if we can't get out of there. I might have missed it. I thought we'd pump and retest this high pivot, kind of like a little double top here on the 2-minute chart. And let's see if the market's getting stronger or weaker here. Let's see, kind of stalemate. Looks like we're going to the downside. Well, let's see if we hold again. We're trading inside the previous green candle. Now we're a little above it, and this time I won't play around. If we go ahead and get close to that previous high, we'll go ahead and get out. Looking for one more surge up there. And if we can't do it on this candle, that means we've had two sell-off wicks here. Not the first one was pretty big, but not so much the second one. But if this one puts in a wick too, then odds are percentage, playing the percentages, there's no more buyers up here. We'll probably roll to the downside. So we'll see how this one ends up. We've got about 30 seconds left, and we're looking for one more surge up. I wish you would hit 45.10 or 45.12 is really what I'm looking for. 45 is right here going across. We've hit it a couple of times, but not. But it looks like, see all these topping tails, looks like we're going to be pulling to the downside. Got about another second. So we'll see if they give it one more. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Okay, really stalling up here with all this, with all these wicks. Looks like there's more selling than buying in this region up there. Unless the shorts were loading up, and then they're going to run it up real quick and liquidate those guys. That's the only hope we have, or it's going to, roll to the downside. I got another minute here. Okay, here we go. Just like, okay, ready. Okay, we'll take it here. We're out. Dang, I know that's not where I got out. Okay, let's see if we made the right move. Of course, we're coming up into this little high pivot area here. As you can see, we hit it right on the nose there. And what happened? I guess everyone taking a short position here, they liquidated them out pretty quick. That's why you have that big surge up there. Now we didn't catch the top, but hey. Okay, well, we got another 10 seconds. We'll see how it ends up, how this candle ends up. If that was the last of it, then they roll it down. Got 4 in a row here, so we'll see. That's some consolidation here. Let's see, looks like they're pushing over it. But okay, guys, I'm not going to have you suffer through another candle. In and out. I mean, that's how we play the game. And thank you for watching. And we will see you on the charts.